This session of Databasics is to show you how the expense proxy and the out-of-office approval work in Databasics. If you click over here on your name and then go to My Preferences, here I'll talk first about the out-of-the-office. And what the out-of-the-office feature is for is that, say you are going to be out of the office, like vacation or whatever, and you are not available to approve expense reports. If you select somebody else in this out-of-office, you have the ability to name a different approver to take your place to approve expense reports. So if I'm going to be out of the office, what I can do is I can set the date that I'm going to be out. And then I can select another approver to take my place. So I'm going to select Brooks. And another option that some people might want to use is you can actually select up to 4 different approvers. So if you wanted to make sure that this expense report got approved, your expense reports got approved, but you weren't sure who was going to be available to approve them, you could name a number of different individuals in here, and then any one of those people could approve it in your place. I click on Apply Changes. Brooks now has the ability to approve expense reports on my behalf. The other thing you might want to do is you might want to set a wide date range here if you just always want to make sure that you have another option for somebody to approve your expense reports. So this particular one, this will expire after 8/12. All right, and the other feature I want to show you is Assign My Proxy. And what the Assign My Proxy does is a proxy is someone that you're given the right to do your expense report on your behalf. So they could create a report, they could add expenses, they could add receipts, they could do all of that on your behalf. So if you have somebody that you want to be able to do that on your behalf, you click on the Add, and then you could go ahead and you could name a person. And save that. All right, later on, if I decided that I didn't need somebody to be my proxy, or if I wanted to change the person, if I click on that person's name, then I can go ahead and I can delete it. And another thing you'll see is that you have the option of adding multiple proxies. So again, the proxy is someone that can create reports on your behalf.